Hey guys, I'm back at Varithi Culture. Since in part 3 I told you that I'm gonna meet you in part 4, here I am. And guys, if you haven't liked, share and subscribe my channel, please do it. And also, if you want to see and hear part 4, Abdu celebrates a plastic free wedding. Even if you have subscribed my channel, please like it and share it. If you have liked it, then subscribe it and share it. Simple. Okay, if you have, well done, and let's start. Abdu celebrates a plastic free wedding. It was the first week of February, almost time for Abdu's uncle's wedding. Abdu was excited. There were so many questions. What to give in the cards, gifts, what sweets. Suddenly, Abdu's father suggested, let's just send a simple email and we can just send an email and that's it. Abdu's mom said, what? We'll only do that? We no sending invitations from going to house, it will look bad, and we are not going to friends and families. Won't it look bad? If you're sending an email, it's fine, but we're not even giving sweets. Abdul's father said, we will give sweets, but on the wedding with bamboo boxes. Abdul said, Papa, I've also seen plastic bottles and plates in weddings. So can we avoid them? Abdul's father said, good point, Abdul. Let's do it. Abdul's mother said, I think you both are right. Here's my suggestion. When we'll go for shopping, we'll use our own suitcase and avoid the plastic ones, and we'll use eco-friendly leaf plates, and we will use steel glasses bottles. Two said, yay, we are gonna have a plastic-free wedding. But the Abdul's grandparents were not convinced. They still wanted fancy cards, fancy gifts. Abdul's father tried to explain. See, did you know when we take blessings from our mothers and fathers? This time, let's take blessings from mothers and fathers. But let us try by taking blessings from Mother Earth. As soon as Abdu heard that, he joined his hand as if he is praying to Mother Earth. Everybody laughed, ha 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 ha, and they were convinced with Abdu's father. Abdu went to his Chacha and said, Chacha, on your wedding, let's put some bright crackers, as many as we can, like thousands, hundreds and thousands, more than that. Then suddenly Abdu's mom came and swiped him out. He said, Abdu, the first things from asking others is not good. And second thing, did you remember that day when your teacher said crackers are harm to pollution? They harm the environment? Then Abdu said, but Mama, she only said for Diwali, it's a wedding. So that's why we can. She only said for Diwali. And Diwali, we will not. But now we can. Abdu's mother said, Abdu, no, we will not use crackers. The more the weddings will happen, more crackers, more pollution. So you see, it will harm the environment. Abdu said, but Mama. Abdu's mother said, Abdu, listen to me, otherwise you will not be able to see the bright stars and the blue skies. Abdu went to his Chacha again and said, we'll not use bright crackers and all of them. A plastic free wedding. Abdu's Chacha said, okay, we will have only fun, laughter, blessings, fun and more fun. And we will have much laughter, dances, music and much more. Abdu started doing the Bhangra dance, and then everybody joined him. And then on the wedding day, he marked a green triangle, and here he reduced the number of cars. Also, he made a plastic-free wedding. The end. So, kids, did you learn how Abdu celebrate a plastic-free wedding? So, you also reduce the number of cars and also please stop burning crackers, using plastic stuff on wedding, and use eco-friendly leaf plates. And guys, since you have heard the reduce the cost, you must have remembered the part 1. And if you haven't seen part 1, then go and watch. It's a very nice part, and part 2 and part 3. Watch from the starting until the end. So till then, bye, and I'll meet you in part 5. And guys, if you still haven't liked, share and subscribe when I told you, then please do it now. Okay, bye.